Don't look down, 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 don't look down. Hey, welcome guys to Beats with Kev. I'm trying to get things popping and more consistent, but I'm in the process of a lot of different stuff. Without all that, without trying to make it all sound mushy and stuff, let's get back into it and actually start trying to make some beats. I need to actually tweak this a little. The room is dirty as usual. I feel like I'm on an offset too, but no, it never matters. I missed that last one. Cause we don't even need that art, like if I think I have something right here. I think I might actually have something. One, two, three, four. Maybe. That's potential. Not the potential I need though. Okay. For once, I actually did good. Wow. That little. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 na. Yeah, almost there. I kind of got something though. I mean, it's there. It's a little. It's potential. The problem with this is. I want to have a bass in there. So let me do an intermission. So far we have that. I actually don't know. Everything else is kind of okay. The main melody, I think feel like I'm gonna change a lot. I'm gonna change up. I feel like I'm liking it. I'm really liking this beat a lot, but I really gotta figure this out. So look at this shit. It's just great. It's just everything about it is so goddamn cinematic. This. You gotta be kidding me. Yo, Labs is the greatest preset ever, bro. I don't care who you are. This is hard. Like, look at it. It just effectively just made my thing sound like subjectively, but like, come on. Okay, alright. Actually didn't do really well with the drums, but you get my gist. Come on. Come on, that's actually hard. We don't need a delay on that. We don't need all this. Whew! This sounds like something. Okay. Yo, this sounds like some shit now. Wanna do something stupid? Yeah, I think it's all them little chances loud as fuck. like that. Alright, I have a little thump preset. I just like throwing that preset in just because I want to thump. Might be a little louder. But we're not mixing today. Yo, I don't know how I finesse this one. I really don't know. I don't know. Oh, I'm dark right now. I'm like super dark. Let me put a flashlight on my face. That's so nasty. I'm so dark. I'm so dark you can still see my face. Look up. Look up. Yo, that's wild, bro. Like so dark you can still see it on. Yeah, that's some horror movie. I know that one meme is out. I gotta look for it, but it's the one with the kids. Yo, people is messed up. They really out here making like all these like Slender Man type things, and yo, the internet mad weird. I be on 9gag like every day, and I be just seeing some stuff, bro. And then I just see Bronn from Game of Thrones. I'm like, yo, y'all wildin', bro. Thank you guys for coming here. I have a whole bunch of other videos. I'm actually gonna try a new series of something. I have a lot of new stuff in the pipeline that I'm working on. I'm also working on just kind of doing more on my site, beatswithkev.com. So make sure you guys check that out. I have a whole bunch of stuff that's just showing up and gonna be there. Like a lot more blogs and stuff, a little bit of how-tos and other things among. Plus, it's just other beats that I just put out. So you just seeing the stuff I'm actually working on. I'm trying to kind of distance away from like SoundCloud and all the other stuff, and sort of just kind of wanting to start fresh on my own site. Guys, and have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot down in the comment section and all that. I'm so dark, bro. This is crazy. This is like 90% just darkness. So like that, it's like an abyss. Like you can't see nothing. It's crazy. I'm really happy you guys are checking this one out. I'm gonna continue to keep making more of these, and thank you guys so much. Yeah, comment down below if you guys have any questions or just your thoughts on it, because I'm always trying to strive to do better with this kind of stuff and get like my production up and everything. But once again, thank you guys so much, and stay safe. Peace. Yeah. Don't let down, don't let down, don't